Okay, so for my marine science final, I chose the Hector's dolphin. Um, the Hector's dolphin are the world's most endangered marine dolphins. They usually are killed with commercial gills and trawl nets, and it's been a main cause for what's happened to the dolphin population. They get tangled in the nets, and since the gill nets are made of mesh, it's hard for them to escape. So there's only around 15,000 individuals left in the oceans that are a year or more older. This Ocean Research Institute is a project that's dedicated towards helping the recovery of this dolphin population and trying to give their community a better understanding on the dolphins living in the area. This place is in New Zealand. New Zealand is the only place left that these dolphins live in. They use boat coastal surveys, photographing dolphins and trying to understand more about their species and behaviors. With dorsal fin identification, they've been able to determine that this place is home to around 300 members of this species. Their role in the ecosystem and diet, they play a very important role, an essential role in helping the local fish populations. If these dolphins went extinct, there would be a huge disrupt in the world's natural balance and food chain because they help with all the fish. These dolphins are obviously carnivores, and their diet consists of crustaceans and small fish. This includes species like arrow squid and red cod. Classification and appearance. The Hector dolphin scientific name is this. I don't know how to say it. It's named this after Sir James Hector, the most important New Zealand scientist of his time. Some things to know: a group of dolphins is called a pod, male dolphins are called bulls, and females are known as cows. Hector dolphins have a distinct round dorsal fin, and that's how you're able to tell that they're Hector dolphins because of their rounded dorsal fin. They have gray bodies with black and white markings, and they are among the smallest dolphins in the world, which is kind of crazy. An adult weighs around 110, and the Hector dolphin contains 24 to 31 fine pointed teeth in each row. Here's a video of them. Swimming around. You can see their round dorsal fin. I think they're really cute, honestly. That's why I picked them. But yeah, you get the point. That video's there. And then, the dolphin only lives in the coastal waters of New Zealand. Some adaptations that the dolphin has used to survive in its environment is making a variety of clicking and whistling noises to communicate with other dolphins, and the coloration on the dolphin with the light gray sides and the black tails and fin is an adaptation. And also, these dolphins work in a group to hunt prey, which is smart, I think, and a lot of dolphin species do it. So, reproduction: dolphins may live until their mid-20s, which is pretty low actually compared to other dolphins and whales. They tend to have their first calf when they're around 5 or 9 years of age, and then they reproduce only one calf every 2 to 4 years, which is kind of crazy. Hector dolphins have this kind of mating system where both the females and the males mate with multiple mates, which I did not know, and I think that's kind of crazy, but their mating season is during the summer. They're slow swimmers, and they have very small lungs, which I did not know, and I was surprised about too. Their small lungs don't allow them to dive into the water for more than 3 minutes at a time, which I think is partly the reason why this species is so vulnerable, and maybe even why it's endangered in the first place, because I don't know, that's just crazy to me. These dolphins' behaviors are displayed in a wide range from body contact to bubble blowing. Dolphins are very playful and curious. Here's another video of the dolphins swimming. I just thought it was a funny video. I'm really bad at this. Okay. Their main predator is sharks. Some shark species that eat these dolphins are great whites, blue sharks, broad-nosed seven-gilled sharks. The Hector can defend itself by traveling in pods. They use echolocation and their intelligence. They don't have like sharp teeth or anything, but dolphins are very smart, so. Their survival status is decreasing rapidly. They're considered endangered species. Besides like bycatch, which is one of their biggest threats, habitat threats, pollution, seabed mining, those are all results of why they're going extinct. Some fun facts, there's a subspecies of the Hector dolphins, and there's only 55 in their population. Unlike other dolphins, they lack a beak. At the age of 2, the young calf babies are independent and on their own. Hector dolphins stand out from the other dolphins because they do not use any whistles, but rather short and high clicks. And they are conscious sleepers. They never fall asleep completely in order to control the required amount of oxygen. Things we can do to help them. Some basic things is obviously just recycle your plastic. That way it doesn't end up like polluting the oceans, but together we need to try and manage both like the net fishing and trawl fishing. Getting it banned would obviously create a much safer environment for the dolphins and therefore balanced ecosystem. If you're not sure how to help, you can just simply spread awareness about the topic. Talking about things like this is very important for a healthy future on this planet, and I know for me personally, making this presentation taught me a lot about the species and why they're so valuable to us. And here's some pictures of the round dorsal fin and what they look like. And that's my presentation.